going to post today. There's nothing really to do. I'm so bored. I don't know what to post today. What the heck did this come from? Ooh. It looks cool. Hi guys, welcome back to Hannah and Sarah Show. Today I'm going to be doing my first unboxing video. Woo! So guys, this is, it's like a little school supplies kit. Not really, but it comes with two pencils, two double-sided pencils, a eraser, a little tiny one, a sharpener, and crayons. So let's get unboxing. So guys, y'all gonna watch me unbox this. So guys, as you can see, that I have. Now I'm just gonna tear it open. Oh, this looks so cool. So guys, these are the pencils. They are so beautiful. Look how cute they are. They have little dolls on them. Now this is what I call good stuff. They're double-sided, guys. That's good. We have a pack of crayons. Whoa, this is cool. Let's see what colors we have. I have black. You know we have to have some black. Here. So some black. Hope y'all can see it, cause brown, some brown, okay. And I have some green, orange, and yellow, and blue, and purple. Okay guys, let's do unboxing, so don't forget. Oh my god, sorry guys. Look guys, it comes with a sharpener. Pink sharpener. Pink sharpener. So guys, and it's an eraser. It's so pretty, guys. Guys, this is the most prettiest set ever. This video is going to be double because it was a short video. It only been like 4 minutes. So let me just clean up real quick and I'll get straight back into the video. The play date. I have to wake Hannah up for her play date today. Hannah, it's time to wake up for your play date. It's my play date today? Yeah, it's your play date today. Yay! Get ready, okay? Okay, mommy. First, I have to go potty. All done. Let's flush. Let's brush my teeth. Bloop. Gotta brush my teeth. Mommy, I'm ready. Don't you want to pack some stuff too? It's gonna be a while there. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay. Well, I guess Mom is right. I have to pack some stuff. I'm doing it. So I guess Mom is right. Cut it off! Well, I guess Mom is right. I have to pack stuff. Let's pack my favorite notebook. Okay, so I packed my favorite notebook. Now it's time to pack my favorite pen. Let's pack some sanitizer. My favorite stuffed animal. And that's all I'm going to be packing. Well, I still got to pack the food. So let's just close this up. Okay, guys. I'm all done. This is what they will be packing. They will be packing water, juice, also some lemonade, and some juice again, also some hot cocoa, some yogurts, some sweet treats, some toast, Jello, and cake. And Hannah's mom will be packing it all in this bag. Mommy, I'm ready to go. Okay, let's go.
Oh, good. You guys made it.
Yeah, we did. Riley, I miss you. I can't believe it.
Should we start setting up?
Yeah, we should.
Hey, Elon, do you want your drink now? Sure, what did you get me? Oh, I got you some hot cocoa with whipped cream. Oh, yeah, I'll take it right now. Okay.
This hot cocoa looks so good. Nom, 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 nom. I love cherries.
Ooh, hot cocoa.
Lemonade.
Ooh, some cake.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Bye, and don't forget to make it your show. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was just a little something, but thank you for watching.